3 books. I'm gonna name 3 books. After I finished these 3 books, everything changed.
What are the books, bro?
Everything. First book I suggest. There's 3, and this is for. It doesn't matter if you want to get into real estate. It doesn't matter if you wanted to get into media, whatever type of entrepreneurship you want to get into. These 3 books in order, I highly suggest. I promise you, these 3 books, everything changes. Your whole life changes. Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Second book, and a lot of you entrepreneurs out there who have read this already know. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And the third book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Take the time, finish these 3 books, everything changes, especially in your entrepreneurial goals. Everything changes. Everyone's trying to achieve that level of wealth or that level of security and prosperity where those in succession, I'm telling you right now, game changer. These 3 books that really help change the way I view how to be successful.
So,
but yeah, no, it's just gonna change your whole thought process. But I can tell you from personally reading these 3 books, everything